Today we're going to go over the features and benefits of the Rhondium QuickConnect Anatomy Band Intro Kit. The QuickConnect is a retainerless Tofflemire that was designed by Dr. Simon McDonald, who is the founder of the old TrioDent system, the TrioDent V3 system, among others. It's one QuickConnect Carrier, which is the tensioning device for the individual bands. You have a total of 20 QuickConnect Anatomy Bands, 20 wedges, and 4 of the DME wedges for deep margin elevation. So opening the box, you'll see what we have here. We've got the QuickConnect Carrier, which is a placement and tensioning device. You have a quantity of regular and tabbed bands in a couple different sizes. You have you have regular large and you have regular small, and each one of those comes in either 5.5 millimeter or 6.5 millimeter. You have the tabbed side, the tab bands. They've got the little tabs on them that we'll get into here in a little bit, but the tabs are actually used to help you, or they're there to help you pull the band to either side, either mesially or distally, to you pull it with a probe in order to tack it onto the occlusal surface to maintain your contact while you're placing your composite. Also in the kit, you get some samples of the separator wedges. They come in 4 sizes. Very interesting and useful shape or design. It's got a ski tip at the end, and it's also hollowed out in the middle, so it can sit on the papilla on placement. They're hard to back out. I know a lot of people have reservations about plastic versus wood, but these are a very nice design. You get 4 different sizes of these in the kit. You get small, which is yellow, green, which is medium, teal, which is large, and blue, which is extra large, and that's the one that I showed here. So in addition, you also get a very clever product that was invented by Dr. McDonald, which is the DME wedge. We'll get to that here in a second. And essentially what it does is it's utilized for deep margin elevation. There are other products that are on the market for deep margin elevation. It's used where you need to build that tooth above the gingiva, and especially in case you're scanning, or you just want to save more tooth structure instead of prepping for a crown, or if you can swing it. So it's a very clever product, very successful for us as well. So those are the contents of the kit. As far as the bands are concerned, you've got 2 different types of bands in the kit and 4 different sizes of each kind. So you have your regular bands, which is what you're probably used to from some of the other kits like Automatrix from Dentsply. So what you have here is, the nice thing about these bands is that they're actually contoured, right? And so unlike a normal Tofflemire band, you can kind of see that contour in there. A normal Tofflemire band just is flat. When you put that in, wrap it around the tooth, and then tension it up with the actual Tofflemire retainer, that's where you get your food traps from, because you're closing that the bottom of the band around the bottom of the tooth, and so you're leaving without curvature. You're leaving an exposed interproximal air. This side is you've got these interesting bands here, and the interesting thing about them is that, as you can see here, it's got these little tabs on it, if you can see that. And what the tabs do is, actually I've got that upside down. So we'll get to that in a second when we do a little demonstration, but what the tabs do is, one of the most important parts of using a matrix system, is you want a good contact, or a better or an improved contact to what you might be used to. And so what you would do is you would use this material and tack it to each side of the occlusal, the adjacent tooth. So you tack each side down with one of these tabs, and boom, all of a sudden that makes contact for you. What we have here is we're going to show how to place the band once you've determined what size band you need. Of course, you'd probably use a large with a molar and a small with a bicuspid or first molar. So what we're going to show here is I'm going to engage this. So what happens is that you take the carrier right here and you just engage it into the little plastic carrier right there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that it's loose enough for me to get it around the tooth first, and then I'll tension it. Okay, let's see here. The other way. Oh, there we go. As you can see, this, as I twist the bottom right here, it's opening up. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the band. Okay. Then once I have the band placed, I'm going to use the tensioner here. Just go ahead and tighten this right up. And we can see it. It's going to cinch all the way against the tooth on all sides. I'm going to make sure it's down. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the end of this right here, and it's going to release. The biggest benefit to a retainerless Tofflemire system is the fact that you don't, especially if you have multiple teeth in a row that you're working on, you could place these sequentially if you need to. With a Tofflemire or a traditional Tofflemire with a traditional Tofflemire retainer, since you can't remove the retainer, they just hang there in the mouth, as you all know. So that's actually one of the biggest benefits to this. And as I said previously, one of the other biggest benefits to this particular system is that the bands actually have some curvature on them to enable you to get a better contact. To put the Tofflemire retainer in, we're going to loosen it up a little bit and make sure that we've got enough coverage to make it easy. And as I showed here, I'm just going to go ahead and place that straight down and get it around both sides of the tooth. What I'm catching on here. Oh, got it. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and tighten it back up. Make sure that it's all the way down. I'm going to push it sideways like that, so I can go ahead and just tighten it all the way up the rest of the way. Once I have it nice and tight there, again, remove it. So we can see we've got that with the tabs there. So what we're going to do, where this ended up here, see, you can see the tabs on each side, boom, both on the mesial and on the distal. And what that is for, as we said before, is to place a tacking material on here. Pulp Dent makes a good one. I can't remember the name of it right now, but tacking that on, pulling them over with a probe, and then tacking that material on there, as stated, it just helps you achieve a much better contact when you've got, it's kind of a similar idea to the old burnishing, right? Except you're burnishing to make contact on these bands. Instead of doing that, instead of having to burnish a lot, you just go ahead and pull with a probe and tack, and that gives you, it actually makes contact. One of the other really interesting things here is, there's a technique called deep margin elevation, generally used when you've got a broken down tooth. It became popular with the biomimetic dentists. You're trying to build the tooth back up instead of just taking it all the way down and putting a crown on there. You're trying to save as much tooth as possible. Also, DME became popular because if you had a tooth that was broken down subgingivally, that you couldn't get a scan on it, so a lot of dentists were building that back up, or rebuilding the margin, or to raise it above the gingiva. And one of the interesting thing is there's a couple of different systems on the market to do that with from other competitors, but this is the first one where this is actually a wedge and deep margin elevation product combined, as if you can see right here, it's got a little curve on there, and it's got curvature all the way through, and then especially deep down right here on the bottom. So we'll see, we put it in, it goes in, and you can see that there. Actually, we'll go all the way around. We'll see that there. Look at it from the other side. You can see how that is. So essentially, it is driving down subgingivally, and if you want to build that margin up real quick, you can go ahead and put one of those in there, and boom, it simplifies the procedure and also makes it a lot faster. If you're interested in this product, GoldenDent is the exclusive United States distributor for it, or this or any of the other Rhondium products that you can visit our website at golden-dent.com or give us a call.